Okay, we are here today for our fourth virtual field trip using Able Eyes, and that's ableeyes.org. Again, just in case it's anyone's first time, Able Eyes provides virtual tours really across the U.S., any type of public space. Our primary intent was using these virtual tours for accessibility. So people with both physical and invisible disabilities have a chance to see a place ahead of time. Um, whether that's somebody that has anxiety and might be nervous, getting those jitters out, or someone with a physical disability, there's a lot to gain from taking a virtual tour ahead of time. So we have things like doctors' offices and museums and dentist offices and libraries, and so sky's the limit, but really over the next month to provide quality content to our followers, we're going to be doing the virtual field trips mostly. So places that would be ideal for field trips to help parents as we kind of navigate through homeschooling for the first time for some of us. So this is Hurst Planetarium. A planetarium, for maybe the students that have never been to a planetarium, is a place where you sit in a room and you have a chance to virtually look at the stars in the solar system and some of the constellations. So I would encourage, as in past tours, taking the time to explore at his or her own pace, and definitely looking at the things on the walls here, finding something, one or two things that spark interest, and then going further with that in a lesson. So this is what the inside of a planetarium looks like for anyone who's never been in a planetarium. So uh, usually students are sitting in a chair and or laying on the floor while someone kind of goes through and does a lesson about the solar system. So types of lessons that could be paired with this tour would be naming the planets, um, information about constellations. So finding, using the iPhones, well, any of the phones actually, have apps for looking for constellations. So that could be kind of a supplementary activity. Downloading those apps that are free that allow you to look up into the sky and see different constellations. So writing down what some of the names of those constellations are. Um, I saw an interesting fact actually just today about how large the sun is. And so, just doing some research about the sun, about the planets, about the stars. And as I did yesterday, I'll put some kind of supplementary materials below this tour so that people can just get some lesson ideas or print things out, and then also the direct link to this tour so that students can explore the Hurst Planetarium themselves. All right, hang in there, folks. Have a wonderful day and stay healthy.